Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 GMC Canyon SLE 4x4 with a 2.8 Duramax Diesel engine. This is running good, so I'm going to go ahead and close that up, take you for a tour. Just have the fog lights up front, alloy wheels. 4 doors, does have steps in the bumper. Tow package. There's your sliding back window. So it does have power outlets for the second row. I'm going to give you a shot of that bin right there. 2- and 4-wheel drive toggle and trailering toggles right there. Come down here, you'll see that it has 20,041 miles on this vehicle. There's cruise control, push to talk, and your other trip computer toggles. Come over here and jump over to audio. So it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And if you want to see the backup camera, and pop it in reverse. There we go. It's an HD backup camera. All right. And if you wanted to use navigation, you could use either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for that. Then right here you have your glove compartment, additional sensors and trailering controls, and 3 additional outlets right down in here. And shifter, cup holders, additional stowage down in here. And then up above we do have your glasses holder and map reading lights as well. Okay, and then that about wraps it up for this GMC on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. Has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.